Paramecium berzaurea is a species of ciliate found in marine and brackish waters. It has a mutualistic endosymbiotic relationship with green algae called Zoochlorella. The algae live inside the paramecium in its cytoplasm and provide it with food, while the paramecium provides the algae with movement and protection. P. berzaurea is, with a wide oral groove, 2 contractile vacuoles, and a single micronucleus as well as a single macronucleus. P. berzaurea is the only species of paramecium that forms symbiotic relationships with algae, and it is often used in biology classrooms both as an example of a protozoan and also as an example of symbiosis. As symbionts, Zoochlorella use carbon dioxide and nitrogenous and phosphorus wastes and, in illuminated conditions, provide oxygen and useful nutrients to their hosts. Sometimes Zoochlorella are digested by the host. They may be passed from one generation to another in host germ cells. Ciliate, or Ciliophoran, any member of the protozoan phylum Ciliophora, of which there are some 8,000 species, ciliates are generally considered the most evolved and complex of protozoans. Ciliates are single-celled organisms that, at some stage in their life cycle, possess cilia, short hair-like organelles used for locomotion and food gathering. The cilia are usually arranged in rows, known as chynthies, on the pellicle, cell covering. But they may fuse together near the cytostome, cell mouth, of some species to form membranelles or undulating membranes, various sheet-like or fan-shaped groupings of cilia. Elsewhere on the pellicle, cilia may form limb-like tufts called cirri. Most ciliates have a flexible pellicle and contractile vacuoles, and many contain toxocysts or other trichocysts. Small organelles with thread or thorn-like structures that can be discharged for anchorage, for defense, or for capturing prey. Paramecia were among the first ciliates to be seen by microscopists, in the late 17th century. They were probably known to the Dutch pioneer of protozoology, Antony van Leeuwenhoek, and were clearly described by his contemporary Christiaan Huygens in a letter of 1678. The earliest known illustration of a paramecium was published anonymously in Philosophical Transactions of the Royal Society, in 1703. In 1718, the French mathematics teacher and microscopist Louis Joblot published a description and illustration of a microscopic poisson, fish, which he discovered in an infusion of oak bark in water. Joblot gave this creature the name chosin, or slipper, and the phrase slipper animalcule remained in use as a colloquial epithet for paramecium, throughout the 18th and 19th centuries. It is impossible to know just how many microbial species there are in the world. One recent estimate put the number, somewhere around 1 trillion species. And the vast majority of those organisms still have yet to be discovered. Please like, share and subscribe.
Thanks for watching.